Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I am grateful to have another wonderful bag from the company Bostanten. Some people say Bostanten, some people say Bostanten. I'll show you the logo in a minute. It's a beautiful bag company. They make bags for men and for women, and they are very high quality bags. And I'm just blessed to have this because let me show you. I got it just comes in a box, but I kept it wrapped up so you can see how nicely it's wrapped. This is how it's wrapped. There's the name Bostanten, and they sent this to me free for review, and they let me pick. And I may have to open it because it's gonna take a little bit. It's just wrapped so well. I did want to tell you a little bit about the company because it's just a fine company. I've worked with them before. I've shown you a bag, I believe, and some wallets, and they're made with leather. They are made from high quality materials, including Italian cowhide leather. Our pieces are designed to last effortlessly, meeting your needs and exceeding your expectations. These bags made of leather are not high priced. They could be several $100s the way that they're crafted, but they're not. Okay, so here's nicely wrapped in plastic. And then when you take the plastic off, it's taped well. There is your dust bag. And when you take it out of the dust bag, it's wrapped with cardboard and other things. So I'm going to take a break and unwrap this to show you. Bostanten was created by a young woman who had trouble finding bags that she could use in her everyday life while she was in college and after college, and that would be substantial and that would hold up and that would not cost hundreds and thousands of dollars. So she created this company, Bostanten. And this is the bag they sent me. They did let me pick, and it's just gorgeous for the spring and summer. I'm so excited to use it. It was wrapped to the nines with all of the protection and everything. I took everything off. I believe I took everything off. And this logo, the bee, the beautiful bee, was inside the bag. So you can put that on or not, whatever you'd like to do. There is the name, Bostanten. And it's all leather. And here's the back. There's the sides. I didn't take that off because I wanted you to see. There's Bostanten there. There's a little leather fob there, and it is numbered. And then it has this one in particular one has beautiful gold hardware, and it does have a shoulder strap if you'd like to use it that way. So this just hooks on like this. You just clip it and do that. And then I'll show you the inside. It's just a beautiful bag, and I'm excited to use it. It's perfect for summer. The coloring is perfect for summer and spring. And it's spring here. So, and then here's the bottom, has the feet on it. Very, very beautifully made. This bag is $99. And when you open the bag, it has these magnet closures, and see how they hook to this middle piece. It's nice and big inside. There is, this side here has a pocket. Oh, hang on, that side doesn't, it's the other side that has the pocket. This side has a pocket where you can just slide something in, your cell phone or something. And then there is the zipper pocket in the middle. So, oh, I forgot to take the plastic off of that. The gold hardware there, a nice zipper, and it is a nice deep pocket. It goes all the way to the bottom, and it's not sewn into the purse to make the purse like half and half. So if you have something bigger, see it can move from side to side. If you have something big in there, this pocket won't get in your way, and it's just a beautiful interior, beautiful leather interior as well. So I just had to show you all that because it's just beautiful. And that is my Bostanten bag. And I will put this link to this bag in the description below. And also go look at their website. They have all kinds of bags, beautiful bags. Their price points are excellent. And they do have sales also. Look for their sales if you like something. And it's just the highest quality. It says, we strive to make a remarkable change in the fashion industry by providing a variety of chic, sophisticated designs that elevate your ensemble while remaining a practical option for everyday use. So they have a very big collection of designs. So there's something that will suit everybody. And that is I'll look back and find my other videos because they make beautiful wallets as well. And I will put them in the description. Thank you all for stopping by to see this gorgeous bag. I'm just real pleased with it. I just think it's just gorgeous. And it's nice and big. I don't like a really huge bag. A tote bag, yes, for toting things to work, but this is a purse. So I like the size of it. It's a good size for me. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Thank you, Bostanten.